Ever wondered what AI actually is? No, it's not a sci-fi robot trying to take over the world. It's more like that helpful assistant reminding you about your dentist appointment. Stick around, and we'll break it down for you right here on Doodleize. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is when computers learn to think and make decisions like humans. But don't worry, they're not out to replace you, at least not yet. AI helps with things like recommending shows on Netflix or navigating traffic. It's all about helping us, at least for now. AI isn't new, it's been around since the 1950s. Back then, it was all about teaching machines to play chess. Fast forward to today, and AI is helping in everything from healthcare to self-driving cars. Who would have thought a chess-playing machine would lead to all this? Not all AI is created equal. There's weak AI, like your phone's assistant good at specific tasks. Then there's strong AI, which could do everything a human can, maybe even better. But don't panic, we're not there yet. No need to worry about robot overlord so far. AI learns through something called machine learning. It's like showing a robot thousands of pictures of cats until it figures out what a cat looks like. Then, the robot can identify cats in new pictures all on its own. It's all about patterns and lots of data. AI is already in your life. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. They're all AI. These assistants can answer your questions, set reminders, and even control your smart home. It's like having a mini butler, but instead of bringing you coffee, they tell you what time your meeting is. Ever wonder how Netflix knows exactly what you want to watch, or how Spotify finds that perfect song? That's AI. It's constantly learning your preferences and recommending things you'll love. Think of it as your personal DJ and movie critic, all rolled into one. Self-driving cars are one of the coolest uses of AI. They collect data from sensors and cameras to see the road, make decisions, and drive safely. It's like having a really smart chauffeur who never gets tired or distracted. You sit back, relax, and let the AI take the wheel. AI is shaking up the job market. Some jobs are disappearing, but new ones are being created. Sure, robots might handle some repetitive tasks, but think of all the jobs needed to build, maintain, and improve AI systems. The future of work is a team effort between humans and AI. AI boosts productivity by automating boring, repetitive tasks. It's like having an extra pair of hands that never get tired. This frees you up to focus on more important creative things. Imagine having a robot assistant to handle the small stuff while you do the big thinking. AI can do amazing things, but it also raises ethical questions. Who's responsible if an AI system makes a mistake? What happens if it's biased? These are the big questions we need to answer before AI becomes even more widespread. Technology is great, but responsibility matters too. AI collects a lot of data, sometimes more than we realize. From your shopping habits to your location, AI is always gathering info. It's like having a super observant friend who knows everything about you. But with that power comes the need for more protection and privacy. At Doodleize, we love simplifying complex ideas like AI into easy-to-understand doodles. Some AI is involved in making these drawings, but we prefer just good old-fashioned creativity. Stick around, and we'll keep explaining tech in the most fun way possible. Ready for more? AI is revolutionizing healthcare. From helping doctors diagnose diseases faster to assisting with surgeries, AI is like having a medical assistant that never makes mistakes. It's not replacing your doctor, but it's definitely making their job a lot easier and safer for you. Imagine this. AI can now detect diseases like cancer earlier than ever. It scans medical images and finds patterns that humans might miss. It's like having an extra pair of superhuman eyes that never get tired, helping doctors make better, faster decisions to save lives. AI is everywhere, even when you're shopping online. It tracks what you buy and recommends products you didn't even know you needed. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your style a little too well. Just don't let them convince you to buy that extra pair of shoes. AI is making banking safer and smarter. It helps detect fraud and even predict stock market trends. Think of AI as a financial advisor that's always awake and never makes a mistake. Whether you're saving or investing, AI is there to help keep your money safe. Even farming is getting a tech upgrade thanks to AI. Drones and sensors can monitor crops, predicting the best time to water or harvest. It's like having a digital crystal ball that tells farmers what to do next. Who knew farming could get this high-tech? AI is even in classrooms. From grading papers to personalizing learning, AI makes education smarter. It's like having a tutor that knows exactly what you need to work on. But don't worry, your teachers are still in charge. AI just helps them help you. Public transport is getting a boost from AI too. Buses and trains can use AI to plan routes and avoid traffic jams. It's like having a smart navigation system that makes sure you're never late. So, no more excuses for missing the bus. It's got the best route every time. AI is also creating great content, writing stories, composing music, and even generating videos, which can be really useful. But don't worry, here at Doodleize, we just like keeping it simple and creative, the old school way. AI isn't perfect. Sometimes it can show bias based on the data it's been trained on. It's like teaching a robot to make decisions, but only giving it part of the story. That's why it's important to keep AI fair and balanced. No one wants a biased robot making choices for them. AI is great at automating boring, repetitive tasks, but that also means some jobs might disappear. The good news? AI will create new jobs too, ones that are more creative and focused on big ideas. Let the robots do the boring stuff while we think up the next big thing. AI and humans are teaming up for the future of work. Think of AI as your super efficient coworker, handling the repetitive tasks while you focus on the creative stuff. It's the perfect partnership. Robots handle the boring work, and we get to think up the next big ideas. Cybersecurity is getting an AI upgrade. AI can detect hacking attempts and stop cyber attacks before they even happen. It's like having a digital bodyguard that never sleeps, always watching out for your data. AI is on the lookout 24/7 to keep your information safe. Right now, AI is great at specific tasks, but what if it could think and reason like a human? That's the goal of general AI. Imagine having a robot that could do anything you can, only faster and smarter. But don't worry, we're still a long way from that becoming reality. AI is smart, but when paired with quantum computing, it becomes a superhero. Quantum computing can solve problems that are too complex for today's computers, and when you add AI to the mix, the possibilities are endless. It's like giving AI a superpower. AI in gaming is next level. It creates smarter enemies, dynamic worlds, and games that adjust based on how you play. It's like having a game that evolves with you, making each playthrough unique. Soon, AI might even design games tailored just for you. Believe it or not, AI is making art. From creating paintings to composing music, AI is proving it can be creative too. But don't worry, it's not replacing human artists. Instead, it's becoming a tool to help us express ourselves in new ways. Art meets technology. From smart homes to self-driving cars, AI will continue to shape our daily lives. But remember, AI is just a tool. It's up to us to decide how we use it. The future of AI could be amazing, as long as we use it wisely to make life better, not more complicated. So, should we be scared of AI? Not really. It's not here to take over the world yet. The key is to use AI responsibly. Like any tool, in the right hands, it's powerful and helpful. But it's up to us to make sure it's used for good. No robot overlords, we promise. Now that you're an AI expert, next time someone asks about it, you can proudly say, "I learned it from Doodleize." Thanks for watching and being there. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep doodling with us here. Hey, before we wrap up, here's something fun. Want to be the star of our next doodle video? Drop a comment below telling us what wild or unique topic you'd love to see yourself or a friend, relative, or even a group involved in. The winner comment will be brought to life in our next Doodleize video. Thanks for watching and for being part of the Doodleize family. Your support really means the world to us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more tips and surprises from Doodleize. We're excited to see what you come up with. Isn't it great to learn new things every day? We love doing it. If you've just liked this fascinating content, here is another great new video you should watch. Don't miss this one out.